In our previous two releases of Photoshop Elements, we introduced animation features powered by Adobe Sensei AI. These features turn static photos into moving photos that you can share as MP4s. With moving photos, you can add a sense of 2D and 3D camera motion to your photos. And with moving overlays, you can layer on fun animations like snowflakes and sparkles. We are continuing to expand on the possibilities of adding movement to still photos with a new feature we call moving elements. Now, you can bring a touch of movie magic to any photo by selecting an area and making it move. You can also choose the direction and speed of the movement. As you can see, there are three selection options: sky, background, and manual. With the first two options, just click once and Photoshop Elements automatically makes the selection for you. With manual option, you can use various tools to make your selection. So let me select this waterfall. Just a rough selection is required. Once you have your selection, just draw arrows on it showing the direction of the movement you want. Change the speed of the movement if you like. And you're all done. You can then export your creation as an MP4 or GIF file to share on social. Here are a few more examples of how you can add movement to your photos.